गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जिप्सी शिवा। और यार आज एक डेली व्लॉग बना रहा हूँ। बहुत दिन हो गए हैं, लाइक आई एम नॉट मेकिंग एनी वीडियोस ऑन यूट्यूब चैनल, सो टुडे आई एम गोना शो यू माय डेली लाइफ. There is nothing more to do, like we went to Gym Corbett and after that it was a daily routine on shop and everything. तो मैं आज आपको अपनी शॉप भी दिखाऊंगा and what all I am doing. So right now I'm going to buy dosa and idli because it's been many days that we eat dosa. So today South Indian cuisine, today is Sunday. So let's go. Guys, there was the Navedyam and I'm gonna pack the food because my wife and kid is not here. My baby is not feeling well. So this is called Vipul Agora and here is the Navedyam restaurant. This is one very famous South Indian restaurant and it's been here for last like 15 years maybe, since the building is here. This restaurant is here. So this I fell and because of that I have one fractured finger. मैं गिरा तो उंगली नीचे आ गई and I broke my finger, dislocated my joint and other than that नवेद्यम लेके जा रहा हूँ guys आप लोगों को. Let's go. One more good news is that almost 60% of India's population is vaccinated with the first dose and 20% has been vaccinated with the second dose. So guys, very good statistics for Corona in India. Or I hope it gets better and almost every one of us gets double vaccinated, fully vaccinated. So it would be really great and good news more coming up for who wants to travel to India. They might be opening it soon. It's all offices, but the thing is that this building, Converges BPO that came to India, it was the first building where they rented out and started operating Converges from here in our city Gurugram. It was this building. उसके बाद they shifted to Cyber City and other places. But Converges opened their offices in India in Gurugram first, here in this building. So it's very old building and very famous. I order one South Indian thali and with that I order one paneer masala dosa and I'm gonna pack it and take it home. So the thali was for like 285 rupees, but it includes everything. I will take you home and show what all it got. And I love paneer masala dosa, so I packed that also. And here they give one welcome drink. It's called Charge, masala Charge. So my wife don't like it much, but I really like it. So guys, the food is packed. This is the masala dosa, this is the thali, sambar and chutney. Let's go home now. So guys, this is the thali and they have packed it good. I think so.
Like the Indian donut, and
Yeah.
you know what? I think the packaging is also very nice.
Beautiful.
This is like the traditional way to eat. So.
And take out the paneer dosa.
Oh, okay. Oh wow, it's a lot of food. Okay, so here's a paneer dosa. Which obviously it has been like this because it has been packaged, right? Oh, it has a lot of butter in the bottom.
So guys, this thali has one uttapam, one vada, one idli. This is sweet halwa, upma, chutney, another chutney. This is rice. This is lemon rice. So this is the complete thali, how it looks like. And this is my paneer dosa. Here is the cottage cheese with sambar and chutney. सो गाइस अभी हम करा रहे हैं अपनी एक्टिवा ठीक. ये चेंज हो रहे हैं ब्रेक शू, और ब्रेक शू वापस फिट नहीं हो रहे हैं. ये खड़ा पवन. ना चल रहे हैं. तो गाइस एक्टिवा की सर्विस हो चुकी है. अभी मैं अपनी शॉप पे बैठा हूँ, थोड़ा टाइम पास कर रहा हूँ. इट्स अ बोरिंग डे, नॉट सो मच टू डू एंड नथिंग मच टू डू बेसिकली. आज का डे ऐसे ही है. टुडे इज संडे, नॉट सो मच वर्क ऑल्सो, नॉट सो मच क्लाइंट्स, बट इफ यू कैन सी बिहाइंड मी आर all color of t-shirts. and what's exciting is hoodie has come. तो hoodies भी आ गई हैं अभी हमारे पास. तो guys winter is here and the hoodie is also here and Activa की सर्विस हो गई है. I think I need to change the seat cover also, but the guy is not there, so I will ask him. The monsoon season is gone now and what's coming now is the autumn in October. The weather is gonna be really nice here and after that the winters are coming. Someone is waiting here for winters, you know, क्योंकि हमारी शॉप में ना एसी नहीं लगा है. एसी नहीं लगा हुआ है and this year we didn't put AC. तो ये जो भाई है मेरा, ये विदाउट एसी बैठ रहा है. तो सबसे ज़्यादा जल्दी तो इसको है विंटर्स की, मेरे से भी ज़्यादा. Guys, it gets really hot here in the afternoon. It becomes like 40-45 degree and the shop has all day, it has sunshine, so the shop becomes a lot more hot. So this is one problem with the shop. Let's see next year we'll get the AC or the Klima.
You are making your vlog, right?
तो guys आज मैंने BMW X7 देखी for the first time in Gurgaon. And right now in front of me, I don't know which car is this, but it looks pretty good. So this car says Macau, Porsche Macau. I don't know which brand it is.
Porsche?
I don't know. It says something, but I don't know what.
I don't know, but it looks good. It's a Porsche, yeah.
Yeah, it's a Porsche Macau. So another car that I saw for the first time on
What
Gurgaon.
with the number plate?
It's temporary right now. So the number is right now temporary, but the car looks beautiful. Can you show from your phone the side?
Okay, now you turn.
Okay, I will. So guys, every day there's a new car in Gurgaon. When Lamborghini Urus come, I saw it for the first time here, and today I saw Macau, the Porsche Macau, and the other one was BMW X7. X7 is present all over the world, but in India I saw it for the very first time. Yesterday I saw Tesla model. I don't know which one. I think it was Y model. It had a red number plate, demo vehicle, and the registration was from Maharashtra, and so the Tesla is also coming here. But the Gurgaon scene is going pretty strong with the supercars. So I have put one clip of X7, but the guy just went too quickly, and I didn't realize it the car till the time I got to search for it on the internet, like which one is X7, because I have seen plenty of X3 and X6, but X7 no. So was my first time. It's a 7-seater car basically, and bigger than X6 or X3. I don't know if it is bigger than X6, but yeah, it's 7-seater, so obviously it has got more room into it. So guys, that car was Macan by Porsche. It was not Macau. I was saying Macau, but I couldn't read the name because it was dark. So I just searched on the internet and I got to know that it was Porsche Macan. It's a new car, not Cayenne. I thought it was Cayenne, but then I read Macan. So new cars coming to Gurgaon every day. Right now we are just crossing the famous tunnel of Golf Course Extension Road. Let me show you. So guys, on Sundays you can see supercars coming here on ride in the morning, and maybe I'll try to catch if I wake up so early. Let's see. Guys, that's all for today. My babies are crying. One of them is not feeling well. Jane is not feeling well. The other one is crying for some reason. So take care guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Sayonara. Adios.